Okay, welcome back. What we're going to be doing in this video is we're actually going to go in, we're going to change some images in the website and find you some actual brilliant images that you can use to get away from the stock ones that are actually provided on the website as it is. So you can put a bit of your unique touch to it, put your own images on or whatever you want. Okay, so we'll get across back into our website. Now, obviously, when you're on here, these are the images. This isn't you, this is somebody else. So you might want to change that to a picture of you or a picture of your work. The same with all of these. Come down here, you've got this random person here. So you might want to come in and change these images to put your own unique slant onto your website. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple of websites where you can go and find images that are copyright free and you can use for commercial use, so you're not breaking any laws by using them. So the first one is called pixabay.com. Okay, I'm already signed in, but it's completely free to sign in, so you just put all your details in, that's it, log in, you'll get a password, and then you can come in and download these free images that are royalty and stock free. So the first one we'll do, we'll have a look at makeup. There we go, that's quite a good one. So you'll just click on the image, free download. Always take the larger size. So download that. As you can see, that has just downloaded that image into my downloads area on my computer. And then click on the back icon. And you can do this as many times as you wish. So we'll go on a couple. So you've got that's one. So I've taken 3 images from there. Another great website is this, called Unsplash. Again, sign up for free. You know, you can then through. I like that one. As you see here, click on download and it's downloaded the image again onto there. Click off, let's go for wedding makeup. There you go, that's a great picture. We'll download that. Okay, so that's downloaded that one as well. So these are all at full scale, these images. So we're now going to go, I'll close both of them off. Going to come to another free website, which is called canva.com. Okay, and in here we can create any images that we like. So if we go back here and we'll go onto our home page. Okay, and we've got our picture at the top here. So to replace this, we want to have a picture that's the same size or very similar. So we click on Edit section, Style, and then if you click on the image, what it'll actually do is here, it will tell you the actual size of that image. So it's 1920 by 1080. So if we go to Canva, create a design, I'm obviously signed into my account. We can choose custom dimensions. Create a design. And here we have a little canvas where we can work. Just scroll down on this sidebar. I'm going to click upload. And we're going to upload an image. So this has opened up my, let it load up. So there we go, and I'm going to use, which one shall we use? We'll go for a standard sort of makeup look. So once that's opened, you click on the image and it'll open up on your canvas. There you go, so that's nice and centralized. And what I'll do, you can flip this. There we go. Okay, give it a title. Click off, wait until all changes saved, and we will publish that. Download. Here it will ask you to do it as a PNG. Take it off of that, do it as a JPEG. Download. Take a few seconds. And there's our image, resized to what we need. Before we upload it though, we want to come on to another website called tinypng.com. So this is completely free as well. Click on that, click on your image, and what it does, it just shrinks the size of the image. So there it's taken it from 244 down to 203 and reduced it by 17%. So we will re-download again, so we've got two images. We'll come in here and we're going to change. Now we've got our new image, upload, select files, and there's our one that we've just downloaded. Click on that, upload onto the website. Copy and paste the writing into the alt text and description. You can delete the one at the end. And insert. Okay, so there's our image. It's in there instead of that one that we had. You can do some different things. Again, you can fix it. So it does that. You can go center center. It's not going to move it a great deal. Center center. And we've got it so it covers. No matter what screen is or what we're doing, that image will cover. Okay. If you want to see what it looks like in mobile, click here. It will show you. So therefore we can go, oh, I don't like that because that's over to one side on mobile phone. So I'm going to centralize that. And I'm going to style, centralize that. This is all centralized already. And you can also look, this is what it will look like on tablet. Okay, so I'm happy with that. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to make this background a little bit darker. So we'll click there. If you remember earlier, we did overlay. So we've got overlay, but we've got it down to a very low opacity. So just darken it up a little bit. Refresh. And we've changed that background image. So if you wanted to do something a little more complicated, like this one, click on the image. So that's 700 by 651. So again, create design. What we're going to do, go upload. We'll put a couple of images up. We'll try two. We'll do that one first. Once that one's fully uploaded, I'll probably do it now. With that one as well. Okay, we'll click them on. Okay, and we'll send this one backwards. And then we'll put, if you look here, we've got some elements. So you can have a mess around. So we'll click on there. We want this white, so we'll change the colour to white. And we'll create just a nice breakpoint. You can use your cursor just to get that nice and centre. Give it a title. I'll wait for this to say all changes saved. Publish. Download. JPEG. Download that. Once that's downloaded, into PNG. Download. And now we can come back, upload. In fact, I'll go back. So that was our image. Let's click on there, upload. Insert media. We now have a nice image there, and what we can do is we could turn this background white if we wanted it, so it's this greyish colour, which I don't particularly like. So we've clicked on the background for this whole area, and in the styling you can see it's got a colour here. We'll just clear that out, or we can put it as white. Got a background overlay? No, that's it. You can see it's now completely white, which I think is much nicer, cleaner. Update. Click on here. Do a refresh. And as we scroll down, we now have our new image there, which is unique to our business. Obviously, you can use your own photographs or whatever you wanted to do on there. Okay, so the principle for that applies across the entire website. So go on here, come back out, go back to the main page. Click on W to take us back to all the pages. And I'm going to look at the About page now. Edit with Elementor. And you can see we've got a background image. It's actually quite a nice background image anyway. Click on the box. We'll do that, but I want to make it a lot lighter. I find it very dark. Background overlay. We'll put that to 40. Here, I like this one of these, so we'll change the image. Where are we going? It's 550 by 776. Great design. We've already got our photos uploaded. I like that one. In line. Again, just wait, publish, download, JPEG, allow that to download, tiny PNG, run the image through PNG, download again, and back to our page. So we're going to replace this image that we had clicked on. Just give it a moment. And there's our new image resized to there. And we can come down, click in here, if you want to make this number clickable on a mobile phone, you should put the link in here, type in that little piece of code, tel, tel, ... there. That is now a clickable link. Okay, and the same with there. We're going to go okay. We like the image anyway, and instead of having tel, you have mail to ... and put your link in there. So that's now clickable as well. Update. Again, you can come in here. Change that. Contact page. Okay, here, come in, it's just an image, come in, change your images, change the details of what you want. When you're happy, you can always check it on mobile. Yeah, so everything fits nicely. Again, if you wanted everything centralized when people are reading on mobile, that's not going to let me do that, I don't think, or is it? No, it's on default because of what it is. Centralized, centralized, yep. Everything works fine on tablet. Back to our desktop view, and we're going to update that page. Click through. We've got our new, and everything's working fine. Okay, so that's how you go in, change your images, and update information. Okay, so we're going to be moving on to the next element, which is the contact forms and setting up an email for your business.